Hey guys, it's Tito again from tinycamperpro. What we got here today is a higher HLT71 portable TV. It's got a built-in battery pack. It should have a built-in antenna, but we bought ours on eBay and it didn't come with it. The price was right, so I had to go ahead and buy it. So it's a pretty nice unit. It's a little bit old, but there's a lot. They sold a lot of them, so parts are very readily available. So we just turn it on. The power will kick on. And you just gotta get to a channel that we can receive here. So, decent quality. I believe it is HD. It's 720p. Power switch is right here on the side. This does come with a remote. I don't really plan to use it much because TV this small. You're probably pretty close to it if you're watching it. External antenna jack, which is very important because the built-in antenna probably is terrible. Has different menus here. All the controls you'll need are on the front, which is a really nice feature, so you no longer have to use the remote. So it's got different modes. It has an AV input, which is just a component, not HDMI because it is older. It's got stereo speakers. It's fairly loud. The audio quality isn't spectacular, but it gets the job done for what we need it to do. This can have a lot of different applications. Video recording, makes a nice monitor. It has actually a tripod mount on the bottom if you wanted to use that. There's a USB jack here located on the bottom as well. This USB jack is likely for firmware updates, not anything else more. On the side you have your component inputs, a place for headphone jack for quiet listening. And then on this side you have your DC 9-volt input and an on-off power jack. On the back side you'll see a kickstand, so you can easily have it sit up while you're watching TV, which is a nice feature. Close that up. The battery pack is actually located here. It slides right out. If you want to replace it, it plugs right into there. It's a lithium-ion battery pack. The viewing time we've experienced is about 2 to 3 hours, which is pretty substantial considering what we tend to use it for. We really enjoy it. We actually use it a lot around the house. While we're making dinner, we'll watch the news or watch Jeopardy, Wheel of Fortune, all that good stuff. So these particular models don't come without their problems. When we ordered it, we actually found that this power jack wasn't in the best of shape and wouldn't charge unless you pushed really hard against it. Disassembling the unit was fairly easy. There's screws here, here, here underneath the kickstand. You'll find some up here as well. And then underneath the battery there's actually a couple more screws. The whole thing just pops right out. You can then take a look at the jack. If you have reasonable solder skills, you can desolder them and replace them from a jack either on Amazon or wherever else you can find it. But besides that, the picture quality is pretty good. I've been very impressed with it. It does get pretty warm when you're using it, but nothing like dangerous or substantial. So it does take a 9-volt charging, which isn't ideal for us as we have 12-volt charging system, but I guess just regulating that down wouldn't be too big of a problem. It's got different adjustments for contrast, brightness, tint, color. It's also got other adjustments as well. Different audio balance, left and right, language. It's got a sleep timer, time zone, keeps track of the time. menu, language, color mode, all that good stuff. Antenna, you can actually hook up a cable jack to this if you wanted to. It's got the auto scan feature, so when you're traveling from location to location, you'll get your channels for that particular area. The only thing missing would probably be access to a menu for viewing what's on TV, but it's livable. It's a huge upgrade from the iView we were using, which attached to my Moto G5 Plus. That attachment wasn't the best. It tended to get really hot and drain the battery maybe an hour on my phone, which isn't ideal for what we wanted to use it for. So we're really excited to use it. When it's raining out, not a lot of room in our camper, so if you could find one of these guys for a reasonable price on eBay, it's worth picking up just to have for the additional entertainment when the weather turns south.